key bridge tasks must be adequately covered by suitably qualified and experienced personnel. For example, in fog, both radars should be carefully monitored, as well as, if fitted, the AIS overlay on either the radar or the ECDIS. It may be appropriate to increase the bridge manning level above that specified in the safety management system, and this should be planned in advance. Thinking aloud by the conning officer is a particularly useful bridge team management strategy. This relays the factors which are contributing to the decision-making process to the entire bridge team, so that all share the same mental model of the situation. As a result, the other members of the team are much better equipped to challenge the con if appropriate. Also, less experienced team members can learn a huge amount from the conning officer in a relatively short period of time, and will quickly become much more useful members of the team. Well, the main one is to make sure that all of the bridge team look out of the window, not just the lookout, and avoid over-reliance on a single piece of equipment, which will most commonly be the ECDIS. The Marco Polo grounding report featured in our recent April safety bulletin demonstrates how monitoring the ECDIS, which in this case had gone into dead reckoning mode to the exclusion of all other equipment, can lead to disaster. Inexperienced and less confident team members can be tasked with a relatively simple monitoring role to feed back on. This will grow their confidence. The most frequently observed example of effective bridge team management would be probably a properly briefed lookout reporting a new sighting in sufficient time to determine and take effective avoiding action. If the officer of the watch keeps the lookout engaged by explaining the navigational situation and positively acknowledging reported sightings, then the lookout will make a useful and occasionally essential contribution. If, on the other hand, the lookout is rather ignored, as I see quite often, then a potentially valuable resource can go to waste.